Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we find all the values of b. The very first thing we are going to do is first we need to break this exponent, and for this we use here the nice exponential rule. You know about that if we have a over b and its whole exponent m, this is equals to a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. So according to this exponential rule, we break this exponent and we write separately on both of these two values, and this will becomes b to the power of 4 divided by 5 to the power of 4, and this is equals to 16. And now further in the next step we move 5 to the power of 4 to the right hand side, and we get b to the power of 4 is equals to 5 to the power of 4 multiplied by 16. And we know about that 16 is equals to 2 to the power of 4. So here in the next step, we need to combine the exponent of both of these two terms, and we get 5 times 2 and its whole exponent is 4. Further we have 5 times 2 becomes 10 to the power of 4, and in the left hand side we get b to the power of 4. So further we move the term 10 to the power of 4 to the left hand side, and we get b to the power of 4 minus 10 to the power of 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So you see that this is fourth order equation. It means that this equation has 4 or less than or equals to 4 roots. We need to find all that 4 roots of this equation. For this, first we rewrite this equation as this is b to the power of 4. We write it as b square and its whole square minus this is 10 to the power of 4, and we write it as 10 square and its whole square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. Further in the next step we use here the nice the nice algebraic formula. So you know about that if we have x square minus y square equals to x minus y times of x plus y. So according to this nice formula, we expand the left hand side of the above equation as b square minus 10 square into b square plus 10 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here we again apply this nice formula into the first factor, and our first factor is written as b minus 10 times of b plus 10 into b square plus 10 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b minus 10 equals to 0. Second case is we write b plus 10 equals to 0. Third case is we write b square plus 10 square equals to 0. From here we move the term minus 10 to the right hand side, and we get the value of b is equals to plus 10, and from here we move plus 10 to the right hand side, and we get b is equals to minus 10. So in order to get the other roots we need to solve this equation. So here we move 10 square to the right hand side, and we get b square is equals to minus 10 square. And now further in the next step we need to take a square root on both of the sides, and this will be written as in this form. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here b is equals to, here we apply square root on both of the sides, so we write here plus minus sign, and here you see that negative sign appears inside the square root sign. So we first break this square root sign in this way, and now you see that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here 10. Further minus 1 square root is equals to iota. So these are the two complex roots of the given equation, and from here we get b is equals to plus minus 10 be the two real roots of the given equation. And now further in the next step we need to verify that is these roots satisfied our given question statement or not. So for this we need to verify these roots, and for this we copy down given question statement. Here it is b divided by 5 and its whole power 4 equals to 16. And here we divide the verification process in the two cases. In the left hand side we verify b is equals to plus minus 10. In the right hand side we verify b is equals to plus minus 10 iota. So first we put these two values here, and it will becomes plus minus 10 divided by 5 and its whole power 4 is equals to 16. In the same pattern, we substitute these values here and we get plus minus 10 iota divided by 5 and its whole power 4 is also equals to 16. And further in the next step, we need more simplifications here, and you see that this is 5 times 2 becomes 10, and we get here a plus minus 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16. And we know that if you have the base is negative and exponent is an even number, so our base becomes here the positive answer. So this plus minus becomes plus, and 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16 equals to 16. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value b is equals to plus minus 10 satisfied our given question statement. In the same pattern, we verify these values. This is again 5 times 2 becomes 10, and we get here plus minus 2 iota, and its whole power 4 is equals to 16. And again you see that plus minus 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16, and we get here 16 times iota to the power of 4 is equals to 16. And you know that iota to the power of 4 is written as iota square and its whole square, and iota square is equals to minus 1 square is equals to 16, and we easily get here 16 is equals to 16. This shows that the second value is also satisfied over given question statement. And finally, we have the solution set of the given question is plus minus 10 and plus minus 10 iota. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.